This video will review the PAQi operating program, mostly going over elements of the user interface, as well as what inspection results look like after installing and deploying a detector in production. Please note that this video will not go into how to manage detectors, how to set up program codes or programs, how to set up calibrations, and how to add part numbers. All of these steps will need to be completed before deploying a detector for inspection in a production environment. Start by opening the operating program and allowing your detector to load. As you can see, you can choose Options, Manage, Snap, or Stop. You can also see that our program is waiting for a start signal. You have the PAQi version. You have your machine ID. In this case, this is my PAQi. Your format. You can also select the train button to do additional training, pull up the camera view, a variety of other features. You have your storage status. You have your cycle time. You have your program number, your serial number, which usually comes up after barcode scanning, product present, in progress or inspection in progress, and result present, which will indicate your results. You have your cycles, your past, and your failed parts. You can also select the refresh button, which will reset your total cycles, your total past parts, and your total failed parts. And it'll also give you the date and time. If you go to Options, you will be asked to log into your specific account. In this case, we will use Anyone. You can then access the variety of program codes you have set up on your device. Choose the program code, in this case, Demo 1 parts, to use for inspection. For this video, we have already trained a detector to inspect 4 plastic parts. You can go ahead and click Snap to trigger the inspection manually. As you can see here, we have 4 different parts. Serial number is based on date. You also have date and the results of your inspection listed. In this case, we passed because we were expecting one of each of these parts, and all 4 are present. They're all scoring relatively high as well, over 90%. If I move the position of the parts, and then click Snap again, now they are in different positions, but our detector's been trained to find parts in different positions, and still is passing because we see one of each part. Let me move the positions again, snap again, and again we have one of each part, therefore our inspection is passing. Here you see a score for the red, black, tan, and gear. Every time you acquire an image, the Format tab will populate with the specific format or specs that you have set for your camera that is doing image acquisition. The Train button at the top right corner will allow you to open the live camera view, train from production or a folder of images, train from images that you can snap live, and other features. Please see our video on first-time training and continuous training for more details on how to utilize this tool. This concludes the overview of the PAQi operational program and user interface.